I can't see anyone. Hello. I'm going to be taking you through my Unreal stream scene. It's super specific, super weird. Got a couple of things to say first. For anyone that doesn't know, Substance Painter and Designer, ridiculous Adobe ongoing licenses, they're perpetual on Steam. Game development as a whole should be more accessible overall, location or cost, and I think Unreal decided that I should be getting charged for this yesterday. So I'll be sorting that out. That's going to be fun. And also, I am not a programmer. If you see anything here that seems off and you are a programmer, talk to me after. I'll be confused. I also made a lot of jam. I thought this was going to be about jam for like 24 hours, and then it wasn't. So I gave that all out at GCAP, but figured I should bring that up. Goals. What are the goals? I need to make a cozy 3D environment for live streaming on Twitch. I want to show my viewers what I'm doing, what I'm playing, or what I'm working on. So I'll be streaming 3D art, game development. I'm also going to be using Elgato and running that through a stream texture, which means I need to run it at a good frame rate, or otherwise everything will look bad and studded. And no matter how optimized a game is, it's going to look low frames if my scene isn't optimized. Main inspirations for this was Cult of the Lamb. They did some awesome Twitch integration things. I was like, so that's possible. Fruitsy Collins and Duper Live, they both do live streaming things in Unity and Unreal Engine. Really cool people. How did I get here? I did AIE, I did McDonald's for way too long, I did programming for a year, I'm still not really a programmer. I have a passion for 3D art and entertainment, and way too much free time. Okay. Other options for this process, because Unreal was way too iffy and workaroundy. Unity is there. There's a lot of plugins for VTubing. Some people have reasons against it, some people have reasons for it. Warudo is like a recently custom-built thing, but I have experience with programming, and I love, customizing everything from the ground up. And Live2D, which is more for 2D VTuber people stuff. Goal 1, showing what I'm doing. I want to be able to show what I'm doing in the scene. This is a big thing. If I couldn't get this working, I wouldn't be able to do anything else. So I can use my Elgato as a media texture using no plugins, actually. It just has like a source URL thing that I can put into the media player, which is fantastic. I just have to open the URL whenever I start play, and that will get it running. If an Elgato is too expensive for you, you can run a virtual camera in OBS, and that gives you the options to pretty much set up a fake, source output for a webcam kind of thing, which is great, and it lets you customize a lot more. Positives, it works. It's fantastic. This is me and my cat. I was gonna screenshot a game and then I actually set it up with my webcam and my cat was there and acting annoyed, so it's good stuff. The negatives, this unresolved problem. It gets laggy after a while, which is not excellent, as I say. You wanna have a good frame rate consistently. My solution was literally just a button that refreshes it, and that's all I've been running with so far. I think it runs in VRAM, which means it slowly gets cluttered. I don't know. I'm not a programmer. I have a button that fixes it. It's all good. Chat integration? Getting chat to work was pretty simple. Most streamers will use a web source, which uses fancy programming things. I can just plug a URL into a web browser, and then I plug that into a UI widget, and then I can use that UI widget. It's good. It's really nice. That was the easiest bit. Alerts and events, I haven't quite sorted yet. That's a TwirWorks plugin, which I've seen a lot of other people use. It's the one with the most resources, so if you're looking into that, it will be the easiest to find things for. Yeah, it's all good. Bonuses of using Unreal Engine. Why did I spend way too much time using this? I can do cool, surreal, textury things. I don't know. I thought it's cool. No one's pointed them out yet. I have. It's also a very good framework. Unreal has a lot of default pre-built things, and if you're not too worried about if you're worried about scoping things out for a game project to learn, you can just do a smaller thing and just get a small set of goals like I have here. It's a good time. It's a good time. Thank you for watching. Here is my personal QR, and there is my stream stuff. Please consider hiring me. Here are some cool 3D models. Okay.